In this video, I will show you how to install GraphJS server on Heroku. So it's simple, really. We just need to go to the GraphJS server repo on GitHub, which is the URL I just typed in here. You don't have to be logged in. All you need to do is you scroll down, you find this purple button here that says deploy to Heroku, and just click it. Now the process shall begin. We log in to Heroku first. If you don't have a Heroku account yet, you would need to let me make sure it's no. Okay, one more attempt. Really? Okay. Okay, that will be my last attempt. Okay, here we go. So if you don't have an account with Heroku yet, you would need to obviously create one first. But yeah, here we go. So first, let's give it a name. In this case, I will be giving it a name like GraphJS server happy. And then you can choose a region here. I'll keep it as United States. And then these are the add-ons that come with GraphJS server, a Redis database, a GraphDB, basically a Neo4j database as well, S3 storage, and then email service, Mailgun. And these are all free initially. And okay, all you need to do here is you just need to enter your email. So I will enter mine. The nickname should be admin, and you shouldn't change this actually. And the password will be auto-generated, so you don't have to touch that either. And this one, yeah, you can keep it the same as well. So you just hit the deploy app button, and it starts. So as you see, first it configures the environment, then it will build the app, then do these other things, and it will just take a minute maybe to finish all these things here. As you can see, you can follow the process here. And once it's finished though, there's still something you need to do, and I'll show you that. This is particularly important here in this process. So let's wait for this to finish. It won't take too long. It's installing the dependencies of the PHP package. And yeah, we're almost there. Yeah, that's 100 megabytes because it also includes FFmpeg extensions, which is really big. Okay, that's it. So before we click view, I would recommend you to take a look at this. Click manage app. This is the Heroku instance management screen. And so yeah, it is, as you can see, just installed the GraphDB. Now, if we click open app here, it will not work because, yeah, you can see it says application error. And that's not a problem on either Heroku part or GraphJS part. It's actually because this database you see here, GraphDB, which is the Neo4j provider, which GraphJS uses for indexing, takes a little bit of time to launch because Neo4j is a really heavy package, so it does take a little bit of while. So you have to wait. You have to be patient here, and you have to wait a little. If you wait like 5 minutes, it would be done for sure. Then you can come here, click open app here, and if you do who am I, which is the basic command to test things, you will be able to see a response there. Basically, it would say you're not logged in yet. But anyway, and I'll show you what's happening right now. If you check vlogs from this more button here, as you can see, it says app crashed, and it will repeat this process again and again until it's back to normal, until it's until the Neo4j database is launched. But like I said, it takes about 5 minutes. And if you're impatient, you may want to speed this up a little bit by restarting all dynos here. Click restart all dynos, click this red button, which basically reboots the thing before it does itself. And you can follow process here. I don't know why it's not updating, but yeah, it is. Yeah, as you can see, it's launching now. Everything is normal so far. And yeah, actually now it worked. As you can see, it says state change from starting to up. So if I do this, if I reload this page now, it should be working as expected. And you see, yeah, it's a JSON response which says successful. Who am I? It's the request is who am I, and it says false, no active session. So we need to log in first, and we can log in with the admin account we just created. So I will say log in, and you can take a look at all the commands from GraphJS server documentation, but I will do this. Username admin and password. I would have to enter the password. The password is actually here. You click settings, reveal config vars, config variables. As you remember, the password was auto-generated, so this is the password. I just copy it and paste it here, and then click enter, and it should log me in. It did, and this is my ID. So if I do who am I again, it would show true as a result. Now GraphJS server is ready. This is the URL. What we do next should be to have the GraphJS communicate with this server either by, I'll show you here, entering the host parameter here with the one we just copied from the previous screen, this one. So it will be, instead of this, it will be the host name we just copied. So that's one way of bringing it up if you just are intended to use it for GraphJS. But if you're planning to use it for, say, groups, then you also need to install the groups frontend from GitHub, from this URL, and this is the URL, and it would communicate with the GraphJS server you just installed automatically. You would just need to fill out a couple of things, but I won't get into that. It's a different topic, so I'll keep it. We'll just stick with GraphJS server. So this is how we installed GraphJS server open source, and now we're ready to use it. For GraphJS script, JavaScript, or the groups frontend. That's all. That's it, folks. I hope it's helped.